Hello, and welcome back to Speak English Naturally. Today's lesson can help you in real life. Imagine this. You visit a clinic for a medical checkup. A nurse asks questions. The doctor checks your health. You hear new words: height, weight, blood pressure, tests, and suddenly, you do not know what to say. If that sounds familiar, today's episode is for you. Today, we will practice useful English during a medical checkup. Simple phrases, natural conversations, real situations, and I will ask you questions so you can speak too. Ready? Let us begin. Part 1. Starting the checkup. When you arrive, the nurse may say, "Hello, please come in." Repeat, "Please come in." Another common question: Are you here for a checkup? Repeat, checkup. You can answer, "Yes, I am." Repeat, "Yes, I am." Another useful sentence: I am here for a medical checkup. Repeat, I am here for a medical checkup. Very useful. Now, imagine. You arrive at the clinic. What would you say? Pause and answer. Good. Now, the nurse may ask, "Have a seat." Repeat, "Have seat." Simple. Part 2. Talking about height and weight, the nurse may say, "Let us check your height." Repeat, height. Another, "Please stand here." Repeat, "Please stand here." Then, now, let us check your weight. Repeat, weight. You may hear, "What is your current weight?" Repeat, current weight. Useful answers: I'm not sure. Repeat, I'm not sure. I think it is. Repeat, I think it is. And now, imagine someone asks, "What is your height?" Pause and answer. Answer in English. Excellent. Now, another useful phrase. Could you repeat that? Repeat. Could you repeat that? Very useful. Part 3. Blood pressure. Now the nurse says, "We are going to check your blood pressure." Repeat, blood pressure. Blood pressure measures how strongly blood moves in your body. You may hear, "Please relax your arm." Repeat, relax your arm. Another, take a deep breath. Repeat, take a deep breath. Another, try not to move. Repeat, try not to move. Your blood pressure looks okay. Repeat, looks okay. Simple and natural. Question: Have you heard the phrase blood pressure before? Pause and answer. Great. Part 4. Tests and common questions. Now the doctor may say, "We would like to do some tests." Repeat, tests. Common tests. Blood test. Repeat, blood test. Urine test. Repeat, urine test. Vision test. Repeat, vision test. Another useful phrase: Do I need a test? Repeat, do I need a test? Now, let us learn common doctor questions. Question 1. Have you eaten today? Repeat, have you eaten today? Question 2. Are you taking any medicine? Repeat. Question 3. Do you have allergies? Repeat. Question 3. Have you had any symptoms? Repeat. Symptoms. Useful answers: No. Repeat. No. I have felt tired. Repeat. I have felt tired. I have had headaches. Repeat. I have had headaches. Very useful. Part 5. Questions you can ask. Question 1. What are you checking? Repeat, what are you checking? Question 2. Is everything okay? Repeat. Question 3. When will I get the results? Repeat. Question 4. Do I need another appointment? Repeat. Question 5. Should I change anything? Repeat. Question 6. What happens next? Repeat. These questions help you feel more confident. Part 6. Common checkup phrases. Please step on the scale. Repeat. Step on the scale. Please remove your shoes. Repeat. Please remove your shoes. Everything looks normal. Repeat. Everything looks normal. We will call you later. Repeat. Please wait outside. Repeat. Very useful. Now, let us practice mini conversations. Conversation 1. Nurse. Hello? Are you here for a checkup? Patient? Yes, I am here for a medical checkup. Nurse. Please step on the scale. Patient. Okay. Very natural. Conversation 2. Nurse. We are checking your blood pressure. Patient. Okay. Nurse. Relax your arm. Patient. Okay. Nurse. Everything looks normal. Patient. Thank you. Excellent. Conversation 3. Doctor. We would like to do a blood test. Patient. Do I need to prepare? Doctor. Number. Patient. When will I get the results? Doctor. In a few days. Very natural. Now, let us practice together. I will ask. You answer. Ready? Question. Are you here for a checkup? Pause and answer. Question. What is your height? Pause and answer. Question. Are you taking medicine? Pause and answer. Question. When will you get the results? Pause and answer. Amazing. Now, imagine. You have a medical checkup tomorrow. Would you feel more confident? I hope so. Remember, you do not need perfect English. Short sentences work. Clear communication matters more. Before we finish today's challenge, answer this question in the comments. What would you say if the doctor asked, "Have you had any symptoms?" Write one sentence in English and tell me which phrase was new for you. If this lesson helped you, please like the video and subscribe to Speak English Naturally. New English lessons every week. Keep listening, keep speaking, and little by little, your English becomes natural. See you in the next episode.